things are going to get a little bit messier this week. A lot of May-cember activities. I like to call it that because it's so busy in May for so many kiddos and parents. But those activities might be a little bit rained out this week.
Yeah, rained out. And another thing you need to keep an eye out for, especially this afternoon, is the heat index value. So Madison, temperatures will be in the low 90s, but it'll feel almost like the triple digits for some of us because of all of the moisture in the atmosphere. So if the kids are outside playing in the yard, make sure they're drinking plenty of water. Or if you have any festivities later on today, make sure you're drinking a ton of fluids. Now, as of right now, nothing on the radar data. We're just seeing a little bit of cloud cover here across North Texas, but this could change as we move into later on this afternoon. Why? Well, we have a low level jet. So basically this is a stream of the Gulf moisture moving into North Texas. You can see all of the green here across DFW in a good chunk of the Lone Star State. We're pumping in the moisture content from the Gulf, and that's going to help fuel a couple of those stronger thunderstorms as we move into later today. It's a conditional threat, which means not everybody will see even a drop of rainfall, but if we do see some stronger thunderstorms pop up, they could produce big hail and damaging winds. That low level jet will also play a key factor as we move into today whenever it comes to the winds. Winds will be from the south, gusting anywhere from 35 to even 40 miles per hour. So it'll be a gusty day today as well. Temperatures this morning starting out in the 70s, gradually climbing into the middle 80s by lunchtime. High temperature for the day is 90 degrees around that 4 p.m. hour. And later on into the afternoon through the evening, that's when we have the threat for severe weather. Again, conditional threat doesn't mean everybody will see storms, but it does mean we have a first alert weather day because you need to make sure you're keeping your eye to the sky. Now, tomorrow, another first alert weather day is in store for you. More storms will be expected thanks to a cold frontal system that'll swing through, pop up some rumbles of thunder, and bring heavy rainfall. Now, this frontal system will eventually stall out and create more rounds of heavy rainfall through the rest of this week. We also have additional disturbances that will be anticipated. This could bring drought-busting rainfall, especially for our eastern counties as we move through the next 7 days. We're talking accumulation even upwards of 5 inches for areas that desperately need that rainfall. And the good news is it's in the forecast. Now let's go ahead and talk about the threat for severe weather today. Again, conditional threats based on a capping inversion, which is a warm level in the atmosphere in the upper levels. If we break that cap, that means we could see big updrafts, which could mean we could see big hail and damaging winds. Level 1 out of 5 threat doesn't mean everybody's going to see one. It means a couple of those cells could pop up, and the confidence is at least a low threat here across the Metroplex, stretching up to the north along the Red River Valley and for our western counties. Level 2 out of 5 threat, so scattered strong to severe thunderstorm development possible for our northwestern counties moving into the day today. Forecast models, again, whenever we see conditional threats like this, it doesn't really show us good indication on what could happen. So again, we're going to continue to monitor the radar data as it does move in through later today. So make sure you're just keeping an eye out for it as we move into the later on this afternoon and into the evening hours. Let's go ahead and fast forward to tomorrow. Frontal system will swing through, collide into a lot of moisture and instability, popping up some strong activity as it pushes through and stalls out, creating lots of heavy rainfall, and rounds of rainfall will be anticipated over the next 48 hours, I should say. Tomorrow, level 2 out of 5 threat here across North Texas for gusty winds, potential for hail, and again, even a low-wind tornado threat. We could be seeing 5 inches of rain accumulation over the next 7 days, so keep that umbrella handy as we move through the next 7 days. Again, first alert weather day today and tomorrow, guys.